Hi, welcome to SolidCam. In this video we will look at multi-axis drilling option and simultaneous 5-axis. Multi-axis drilling is a unique functionality inside SolidCam that allows the user to create drilling programs from different sides without the need to create coordinate systems or plane definitions. The drilling programs are also created from a single coordinate system. So let's add the operation. So I'm going to add the multi-axis drilling operation. In this, the first task is to select the geometry. That means to select all the holes. Now, if there are more than 5 or 10 holes, then it becomes really difficult for the user to start selecting, especially if there are different directions. This task has been automated by SolidCam, where I can automatically detect holes in different directions on the entire part. We can also attach filters where we can define whether we would like to detect through holes, blind holes, or detect holes based on diameter or height or even color of the holes. In this case, I'm using a through blind option, through and a blind option, and using the automatic function I will click on find holes. With a click it detects the holes. We can also edit it. For example, I can go into this region here and I can select this hole here, and I can unselect or remove this geometry from being recognized as a hole. So it also allows me to edit the hole geometry. Once we have done that, we will select the tool and we'll define a 6 diameter drill. In this we will go into the levels. It's automatic technology. We will set it to a pecking cycle, and step down is 3 millimeters, full retract no, release distance is 2 millimeters, click OK. Tool axis, it's full 5x, and in the gout check I will enable, because I don't want the tool to go completely inside. I want the holder also to be checked because the drill is having a certain height. So in the check geometry, I will say I would like to detect both the holder and the arbor, and this is the faces that we are checking against. Okay, and the holder will exactly stop 2 millimeters above the surface, so the clearance is also there. So let's hit the calculate button. Okay, what you can see here is it has done a calculation, but this result is not to our liking because it used a spear kind of a concept, and it's also doing the retractions on the bottom. So I will simply go to the levels and modify and say, instead of automatic, I would like to use a spear with a radius of 300, and the center point of the spear is 0, 0, minus 250. Safety distance here is 15. Exit safety distance or the retractors can remain at 2. Let's hit the calculate button. Okay, now it's much better. So we can look at the toolpath, and if I run the simulation now, you can see that it's doing a pecking. It doesn't go completely, it stops 2 millimeters above that surface, and that's how it does the cycle. Right, that was multi-axis drilling. Thank you very much for watching this video.